how many miles does this thing? What? No point backing out now. Welcome back to the channel. Well boys, I bought something. It's an old piece of crap. Here she is. Oh no, it's not a Ford this time. It's this. It's a Lexus. It's really old and dirty and crappy, but there's a good reason why I bought it. The interior pretty crappy, pretty bad actually. It's got a Lexus Nakamichi sound system. Alright, honorable. The dashboard is crap, the interior is really dirty, and there's a bunch of spare parts down there. I bought this car sight unseen. I saw it on the side of the road. I called the guy because I know him. I said, do you want my old truck without an engine for that Lexus? He said, sure thing. And I said, oh crap. But here we are in the Lexus now. I already did the deal, so no point backing out now. It's a 1994 model. And I'm gonna show you the reason why I bought it. Open this hood right. Hope it works. This is the reason why I bought it. Not an old dirty engine, but the one easy dirty old V8 engine. It's a really solid, nice Japanese V8, double overhead cam, puts about 250 260 horsepower, said on the paper back then in 1994, and it's really solid. It's the older model, so it has a forged bottom end, and yeah, I want to make it in a drag, drift, fun, whatever you want to do car. The interior is pretty crappy, but I'm not gonna completely strip it out. I'm gonna remove some things in it. The ex owner told me the car was driving fine, had a bad starter, and has been sitting ever since. That was 4 years ago. Some guy bought it, he changed out the starter, and the car never started again because it has no spark. So here we are, 4 years later, with no spark, no start, engine, truck, car, piece of crap. I'm gonna put power in the vehicle, put a battery, fix this thingy-majiggy, put a battery, put power in it, see what turns on, what catches on fire, etc. So let's do that. Step 1, put power in the vehicle. Watch the paint. Watch the paint. Okay, we got beepage. Hey! How many miles does this thing? What? What? Boys, are you looking at this? 45,000 miles? Only? This can't be right. Trip. Gotta be the trip. Holy hell yes. If these engines are as bulletproof as they say they are, I think 45,000 miles is kind of nothing for it. Will it even crank over? Let's see. course it doesn't. Let's have a gander. What's going on here? Let's have a gander underneath the hood. This is the main fuse box thingy. Oh, start. Here we are. Head, start, engine main, fan. So we got messed with this one, the start one. Maybe it's broken, maybe it's bad. Look at this. Oh, nice work, nice craftsmanship. Oh, it's black. Oh, it smells pretty good actually. It smells like oil. Doesn't smell like you know, crap. It smells like oil. Okay, boys, I went on the Google machine and the Google said if you get power to this one, I think the engine gonna crank over. So I'm gonna see if it cranks. Not gonna put the ignition on, nothing like that. Just see if it cranks. Okay. Sounds... it did something. Don't have any power to the coil or the fuel pump, so we're gonna check the main fuses out. Okay, we found this fuse completely fucked. Now we're gonna see if we can jump it and see if the car catches fire. Nice fuse, 9000. So far I got my buddy John. We're checking spark on all 4 cylinders on this side, and my friend Eugene doing a block repair, some kind of jiggy-majiggy down there. Okay, wait a minute.
Dale, van.
Dat is in die kant. Pero carboy Eugene, het is geen vacuum gebruikt. Anyway.
Para.
First start ever, boys! We got the Eugene on the fuel, make it happening. No, digo que no munde. Battery.
Coming up slowly.
Manden. Come on, I kan starten kabel. Ja.
Dale.
Woo, this smells really bad. John is dying. What's happening, John? Why does it smell so bad? Yeah, we have to remove the cats. Well, boys, there we have it. It started up on 4 cylinders, so half of the ignition system is working. So that means that the cam sensor, crank sensor, ECU, everything is talking to each other. So we need to continue to diagnostic, make it work better, and the starter is giving up. So stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna take off the top of the engine, fix all the vacuum leaks and the ignition system. Take care, boys. See you next time.
The Lexus ls400 is designed to stir the soul and not much else.